Have you ever watched a basketball game and felt like it was moving at a lightning-fast pace, or perhaps dragging along slowly, even when the scoreboard was tight? That feeling isn't just subjective. It's often rooted in a key statistical concept called tempo. Tempo analysis helps us understand game flow by quantifying the speed at which a game is played, specifically by measuring the number of possessions a team has in a 48-minute game. By looking at a team's tempo, we can gain insight into their overall strategy, whether they prefer a fast-paced run-and-gun style or a more deliberate, slower approach, which directly impacts how the game unfolds. The core mechanism behind tempo analysis is recognizing that not all games are created equal in terms of opportunities. A team that plays at a higher tempo will naturally have more possessions. More possessions mean more opportunities for both scoring and turnovers. Conversely, a slower tempo reduces the total number of possessions for both teams, leading to fewer overall scoring chances, but also fewer chances for mistakes. This metric essentially normalizes statistics across games by providing context for how many times a team actually had the ball. To practically use tempo analysis, you can compare a team's average pace to its opponent's or even to the league average. If a high-powered offensive team is forced to play at a significantly slower tempo than usual, it might struggle to generate enough scoring chances to win. Likewise, a defensive-minded team might thrive by slowing down a fast-break opponent. You can also track a team's tempo from game to see if they're consistently sticking to their preferred style or adjusting to specific matchups. A useful related statistic is possessions per 48 minutes, often simply called pace. This statistic takes the total possessions in a game and projects it over the standard game length, providing a standardized measure that removes the variability of overtime games. Some advanced analytics even differentiate between offensive pace, focusing on a team's own possessions, and defensive pace, which looks at how many possessions they allow their opponent. Ultimately, understanding a team's tempo provides a crucial layer of context to all other statistics. It helps you see beyond just the raw points or rebounds, allowing you to appreciate the strategic battle for control over the game's rhythm. By recognizing how tempo influences opportunities, you gain a deeper, more informed perspective on team performance and game outcomes.